Ever sneezed when you looked at the sun? Don't worry, you're not alone. It's actually a thing called the photic sneeze reflex. When sunlight hits your eyes, it can accidentally trigger your sneeze reflex. It's like your brain wires got crossed for a moment. Scientists think it happens because the nerves in your eyes and nose are really close to each other. When bright light hits your eyes, the signal can spill over to your nose, making you sneeze. And get this, not everyone sneezes at the sun. About 1 in 4 people have this reflex, and it's actually genetic. So if you sneeze when you see the sun, you can thank your unique brain wiring. Don't forget to like the video, follow and subscribe, and share for more fun science facts.